Hi, I'm Steph. I'm a BI consultant and I run the SQL Southampton user group and SQL Saturday.
My name's John. I'm a product manager and I'm also one of the co-organisers of the Southampton SQL Server user group and the SQL Saturday event as well.
My experience with Spectrum IT has been on several fields. So they placed me in a position back in 2011, and then when I was looking for people to join my team later on in subsequent years, they were sending me CVs and I was doing the recruitment part for my company. So I've dealt with them as a customer and a client, and they've been really helpful with running the SQL user group with sponsorship and paying for pizzas and things like that.
Generally speaking to people at the user group about Spectrum, a large number of them have been placed by Spectrum and had a great experience with it. And they just really appreciate the fact that they're putting something into the technical community so that people can expand their sort of training horizons and things like that without having to go cap in hand to their employer and things like that, and just having that extra little bit of giving it back to the community really helps and is really appreciated by people. Just generally, Spectrum are one of those companies that stands out because of the way they do things. They're not your typical recruitment company, they're not in your face, they're not brash, they're friendly, they're personable. And it just makes dealing with them a pleasure really, both as a sort of someone being recruited and also when you're doing recruitment as well. So they've got it all covered from both aspects really. I can't speak highly enough of them. They're one of those recruitment companies that doesn't act like your typical recruitment company. It's
been really nice to see how Spectrum have grown over the years, from when I first dealt with them in 2011, when I think the office had 4 or 5 people in it, to the company that they've become today, and it's just testament to the success and how great they are to deal with.